Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
I wonder what kind this is. Is that some building in Sevierville? I'll get it in the description, but
I see Montgomery on the bottom.
let's see what it is. See, I'm gonna get a cab view first. Pretty small elevator.
Is it something different?
It's a Montgomery. On 3. I think this used to have G&P Fixtures. Hello. No, I'm good. I'm just riding the elevator as a hobby. I just am interested in elevators, that's all.
Okay.
Have a nice day, sir. Alright, let's go down to 1. But yeah, the cab looks original, but yeah, unfortunately though, the G&P fixtures, they're modded. There's your emergency light and your indicator. Alright, back up to 3. Montgomery. One. Dover helpline phone. Alright, I'm gonna get off here. On 1. And I'll demonstrate the bumper before it shuts. There's your bumper. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.